Hey guys, thank you for stopping and checking out my Out of the Park Tournament Utility application. This is going to be a short tutorial series on the current features of the program and how you can quickly get up and running with it. This first video is going to focus on downloading and installing it and getting your settings ready to go. The second video is going to show you my recommended workflow for downloading data from your tournaments and processing them so that the rest of the app can use them. The final part will focus on the current features of the app and how it can help you improve your tournament teams going forward. I'll also be adding more tutorials in the future as necessary as I add new features to the app. So let's get started with the installation and get your settings set up. When you come to the GitHub, which is going to be linked below in this video or on my Twitch channel, you'll find a section on the right side called Releases. Once you enter this section, you'll see the different builds that are currently available. There's usually the two most recent builds will usually be available. There's a Windows release, a Mac OS release, and a Mac OS Intel release. For either Mac OS release, it's going to be as simple as downloading your main macOS.zip file and then opening it from your downloads folder. It'll look a little bit different on your system if it's a Mac. For the Windows, you'll download the tournament installer from the Windows release and then open it like a normal executable file and then run it through and install it wherever you want. When you first open it up for the first time, you'll notice that all of your target folders and files down here are not set. So that's going to be the first thing you have to do. In order to get this set up, you're going to want to have a collection view in your Out of the Park 26 client that you can export to a CSV. Want to make sure that you hide your duplicates and show all your active reserve and inactive cards to make sure that you get your entire collection. The other thing you're going to want to do in here is go to the card shop and export the card list to CSV. It'll tell you which file it sent it to, and then you can navigate there and make a note of where it went because you'll need it for later. In the app itself, you'll want to go to the Edit Settings folder. You have 4 settings that you're going to want to set down here. You can set the different sizes of the windows, but that's not important for this video. The initial target folder, the initial data folder, the target card list file, and the target collection list file are what you're going to want to set. So for the initial target folder, you'll want to go to wherever your folder that you're dropping your processed files into is. For me, it's on my C drive in my baseball data folder with my tournaments and a ready data folder. I'll talk a little bit more about my folder structure and workflows in the next video, but for now, just set this folder to wherever you want it to go for the first time. This folder is important because it's where your template file is going to go. So you'll want to select that folder. For your initial data folder, this is where I keep my raw data, and essentially this one's just going to make it easier for you to get in there quickly when you're getting ready to process the files. The target card list file is probably the most important one for you to set. You're going to want to go to it's going to be under your documents folder in Out of the Park Developments, in Out of the Park Baseball 26, under online data, and under PT card list is what it's going to dump as. And you'll want to set that. This is the most important file. The statistics, the views will not run without this file being set. Finally, for now, this is optional, but you're going to want to attach your target collection list here as well. This will be for future updates when we're checking collections to see what is in your stuff. You'll want to save your settings at this point. And then you'll have to close the app the first time and then reopen it. That is a known issue that I am working on and will be updated in the future. And that's it. At that point, your settings are set up and ready to go. And the next time you open it, you'll see that all your target stuff is set and ready to be used. Thank you, and if you watched this video, go on and watch the next one, which is going to go over file processing and my normal workflow for when I'm getting ready to download data and process it for use in the app. Thank you. See you soon.